Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add a co-host in Webex meeting using iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Webex app on your iPhone and make sure you are logged into your account. You need to be the host of the meeting. To add a co-host, start a new meeting or join your scheduled meetings as a host. Once you are in the meeting, tap the participants icon at the bottom of the screen. This shows everyone currently in the meeting. Find the participant you want to make a co-host. Tap their name to open the options menu. In the menu tab Make Co-host, the participant will now have co-host privilege, which include managing participants, muting or unmuting, attendance, and sharing content. You will see co-host badge next to their name in the participant list. This confirms they now have a co-host permissions and can assist in managing the meeting. You can add multiple co-hosts if needed. Co-host cell keeps the meeting organized, especially for larger meetings or webinars. And that's it. That's how you add a co-host Webex meeting on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.